guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Designs by Steffanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I'm doing another wig unboxing review for you. It is of this unit here. This is a Sensational Instant Fashion wig. It is in the style TAKA and it is in the color DR30. So if you're interested in seeing the unboxing and review of this unit, then stick around and stay tuned. Also, if you like this unit that I have on here, just click the little eye up here in the corner. It will link you to the review of this unit and you can check that out. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay guys, let's go ahead and unbox this. This is the second time I'm having to do this video because I deleted the footage accidentally. So it's already been pulled out of the box with the original review. So I'm just going to go through the motions of this. The stock card, it says it's safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. You can wear the bangs to the left or to the right with this unit. On the back it has maintenance instructions, colors that the unit comes in, and then the maintenance instructions here. So that is all that the stock card has. Let's go ahead, take the paper out, flip it inside out, and let you guys see what it looks like in the inside. I've already adjusted the straps because I've tried it on when I initially filmed the video. But anyway, the front has a 2-inch comb. 2-inch comb in the front. It does have the hard lacing on the front. As you can see, it's not real soft, but it's not too terribly hard either. It does have the 2 ear tabs on each side of the unit. It does have some breathable mesh on the sides as well. The cap is pretty stretchy, as most of them are. It also has another large, I would say this is a 2-inch comb in the back as well on this unit, and that is about it. There's no side combs or anything on it. And the 2 adjustable straps we have here, which I have placed side by side. This unit does not come with any parting space, and it is sewn into a circle up in the crown of the unit. So that is it for what it looks like in the unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing the try on, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, I have adjusted the straps. They are pretty much side by side. This unit reminds me of the Vela Alexis a lot. So let's try this on and see what it looks like. Oh yeah. I think it just goes to a different side than the Vela, but it is cute all the same. Okay, the swoop is going to the right. So the shorter side on this one is on the left side of the unit. Oh, I like this. I like the color a lot. Let's lean up. See those gold highlights in there? Very pretty color. Very good job on the color. Cut looks to be done fairly well in the front. The top, the crown looks very natural. My hair is not flat, so it's not really flat on the top, but that's fine. Really can't tell. So here's some height in the cut. Let's turn around and see what it looks like in the back. Okay, that is the back of the unit. The color on this is really, really good. It comes down fairly far, so it appears that it will cover my hairs on my neckline pretty good. Maybe that in the corner may not, but it's not too bad. The cut looks really good in the back. It's blended really good. Don't think you have to do much to this unit at all. The swoop comes over very well and it's full enough. I like when it comes down over your eye like that myself. Some people may not, but that's what I really like. This one will get a 2 thumbs up for me because you don't have to do anything to it. It was very inexpensive. I will leave all that information in the description box below as always. Link to where I got it from as well as the price, and link to other websites if I can find those in case that they have better pricing or additional colors that they don't have on the website that I got this one from. So yeah, that is it, guys. Once again, I highly recommend this unit. As always, please like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, please check the description box or just leave them in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back with you. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.